traveling across Yunnan has never been easier. Today, we're taking China's high-speed train through some of the most beautiful landscapes in the southwest, from Kunming to Dali, and later from Lijiang back to Kunming. Our journey begins in Kunming, known as the Spring City for its mild climate year-round. Kunming is the transportation hub of Yunnan, and its modern railway stations connect travelers quickly to ancient towns and mountain landscapes. As the train pulls away, the city slowly fades into rolling hills, farmland, and distant mountains. The Kunming to Dali high-speed train is fast, clean, and incredibly comfortable. In just a couple of hours, you cross vast stretches of Yunnan, gliding through tunnels and over long bridges that reveal stunning countryside views. This route saves hours compared to road travel and lets you relax while enjoying the scenery. Arriving in Dali, you're welcomed by the calm beauty of Arai Lake and the backdrop of the Tsangshan Mountains. Dali is known for its relaxed atmosphere, ancient city walls, and rich biculture, a perfect stop to slow down after a smooth high-speed ride. After exploring Lijiang's cobblestone streets and traditional wooden houses, it's time to head back, this time on the Lijiang to Kunming high-speed train. Leaving Lijiang, the tracks wind through highland valleys and mountain terrain, offering a completely different view of Yunnan's dramatic geography. The return journey is just as comfortable. Spacious seats, smooth acceleration, and quiet cabins make the trip feel effortless. Whether you're watching the landscape pass by or simply relaxing, high-speed rail truly transforms long distances into easy, enjoyable travel. From modern cities to ancient towns, Yunnan's high-speed trains connect culture, nature, and history in the most convenient way possible. If you're planning to explore this region, the train isn't just transportation, it's part of the experience. From Kunming to Dali in 2 hours, and from Lijiang back to Kunming in 4 hours. High-speed rail makes exploring Yunnan simple and enjoyable. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Arian channel for more travel videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next trip.
OK， 用这。